Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for joining in. I'm Gone in 60. Today is the 1-year anniversary of us picking up the Bullitt Mustang. July 21st, a year ago, we drove it off the lot. Great experience. Today is going to be a special video. We're actually going to do a 1-year review on the car. Tell you if I'm still liking it, still loving it. There is some new mods on the car also that we're going to reveal. Real quick, we are at about 435 subscribers. So at 500 subscribers, I'm going to go ahead and do a giveaway. Give away some of the I'm Gone in 60 tumblers, the kind of like Yeti tumblers. I also have some pretty cool hats made now. So it has the I'm Gone in 60, the sniper logo. Also on the side, it has the I'm Gone in 60 YouTube, the YouTube symbol. And these are they have the buckle adjustment in the back. These aren't the cheap plastic ones. Got a pretty good deal on these. Ordered the hats through my buddy, and I have a company that embroiders them for me. So, higher quality hats, not the cheap stuff. I'm going to be giving those away also, and possibly some shirts, something like that. We'll see how that goes. Also, let me know if you guys are interested in these hats. Maybe, I've purchased a few. I'm gonna order a few more, and I might start selling them. So let me know what you think about that. Okay, enough about the merchandise though. Really excited to do this video. There's even some drone footage in here. There's going to be a new intro and a new exit that my buddy Luis did, and I will put his Instagram information in the drop-down description. Guys, remember to check the descriptions when I do a video, because a lot of times there's extra info on maybe the car that we just reviewed or something like that. There's extra info, other Instagrams, people, YouTube's info and stuff like that. So anyway, great to see you. Great to be here, and very blessed. Feel very blessed. But let's start with the video. So, does anyone have a reason or idea why these factory Bullitt wheels are on the ground right here? This is John, and he is mounting the new wheels. And here's the latest mod. These are the SVE PP2 replica wheels, 19 by 10 all the way around. And as you can see, they've been paint matched to dark Highland green. I got to give my buddy Taylor a shout out at Collision Pros for painting these for me. And in overcast or at night, they look black. But as you can see, when the sunlight comes out, every angle you can see that metallic popping. Very pleased with it. Alright, so the 1-year review on the car. So we've had the car exactly 1 year with no issues at all. Still perfectly in love with the car. I can tell you this, if there was an option that I bought that I maybe should not have put on the car, it would be the B&O sound system, which is the electronics package. Now, let me explain that. The B&O sound system is excellent. It sounds like you have an aftermarket stereo system in the car with amplifiers. It has a subwoofer. Sorry, this guy doesn't, in his Mercedes, doesn't know how to drive. Okay. It is very clear. It is very well worth the money. But I can tell you, when I'm driving the car on a day-to-day basis, I'm constantly turning the radio down just so I could hear the car. The car sounds amazing from the factory. I've said it several times. The only other Mustang I've heard that sounds better than the Bullitt is the Shelby GT350 and GT350R. Car just sounds, I mean, you know, you downshifted, and I mean, sounds amazing. But like I said, that may be an option that I could have done without. You know, the car comes fully loaded, 401A package, you know, performance package 1, has the navigation, has the enhanced security, it has the Recaros, it has the electromagnetic steering, the MagneRide suspension from the GT350. You know, it has all 3 options. The only 3 options that are available for the car, it has them. So, and we have had any problems. There's been 0 problems with the car. I know some of the 18s had, you know, the 3rd gear fork shifts were breaking. 0 options. I've put the car in the shop a couple of times just for modification purposes or maintenance, which was at 2,000 miles. I switched to the Ford Motorsport full synthetic 5W50. The reason why I did that was I had gotten wind that some of the guys with GTs that race on the road course, they've been switching to that because the 5W50 is a thicker oil. It's better with in high heat situations against thermal breakdown. So I went ahead and did that. I am interested in road coursing the car, taking a couple of classes actually. Let's hear what it sounds like on this on-ramp. Yeah, the car is still fun. We're still loving the car. I don't have any complaints about the car. Now, as far as any type of modifications, I'm trying to keep the car as stock as possible. It is a bit of a collector's item, and it will be worth something later on, no matter what the critics say. So, as far as modifications, the only really thing I've done mostly is suspension, just a couple of cosmetic. But as far as the mods go, first thing I did was, of course, I did the resonator delete, and I put the Steeda resonator delete X pipe on, which was an excellent option. Made the exhaust a little bit deeper. Didn't really change it up much, but you know, of course, that resonator is a restriction in the exhaust. So that's the first thing I did. After that, I just did a couple of small suspension things. I did the Steeda, the jacking rails. So they're the ultra lightweight, low profile jacking rails. I installed those. I also installed the rear IRS braces, you know, so for the car to stiffen that up a little bit. Love Steeda products. I'm not endorsed by Steeda, but I will always put Steeda products on my car. Also, we did the UPR, when we changed the oil, we did the UPR, the magnetic drain plug, and that's a good part to have also. You know, now the newest mod has been I did the Performance Package 2 wheels, which I just think they look awesome. Now these are the the SVE wheels, and they're the replicas, but they still remove 10 pounds of weight. These wheels are 10 pounds lighter each wheel than the regular Performance Package 1 wheel, and I'm not sure how much the Bullitt wheel weighs, but I'm pretty sure it's up there also with the Performance Package 1 wheel. And the new SVE PP2s are 10 pounds lighter each wheel, so that's taking some rotational weight off the car. Other than that, you know, having them painted was awesome. I'm really pleased with how they look. when the sun hits them, man, you know, that anytime, most of the time they look like a black wheel, but when the sun hits them, you can see the dark Highland green come out and the metallic, and it's beautiful, just beautiful. As far as any of the other cosmetic upgrades, I did the RTR hood vents, and of course I had them paint matched also, and I also did the window switch covers. We did a video on all these before, but I had the window switch covers painted dark Highland green, and the radiator cover also. And as you can hear, I still have the rev match turned on. I like the way it sounds when I downshift, but it is an option that you can turn off if, you know, it gets on your nerves or something like that. But we are very pleased with the car. We haven't had any issues. We've had the car a year now. I just broke 4,700 miles on the car. Trying to keep the mileage down low. It is not a daily driver. I get heat from some people saying, why isn't it a daily driver? And basically the answer to that is because it doesn't have to be. We already have a daily driver. We have an F-150, and this car, like I said, is a bit of a collector's item, and I don't want to put a bunch of miles on there. And I have buddies that do have Bullets that do use the car as a daily driver, which is perfectly fine. But we are very pleased with the Bullitt. We had a chance to help with the development of the naturally aspirated tune for the limited edition Steve McQueen Bullets that are being sold by Steeda, and along with Tuning by James, who wrote the tune. And this car, just stock condition, put down 446 horsepower at the wheels, which is amazing. Remember, this is a 5.0 liter. When we got finished with the tune, helping 2.0 Performance and Tuning by James, helping upgrade the tune and do a couple of revisions to the tune, the car made 470 at the wheels, which is amazing. And I'm told that's about 540 at the flywheel. So the car, if you decide to put a tune into the car will move. I mean, that's just amazing. Other than that, the only other mods that I have in store is maybe the sway bars, maybe the Steeda sway bars, and maybe some type of shifter. But like I said, we didn't have any of the shift fork problems. We didn't have there's zero issues with the car after a whole year. This is the first Bullitt in San Antonio. It's number 23. You know, that's totally awesome. It's Michael Jordan's number. But other than that, it's been a dream. This is our dream car. Mrs. Gone 60 and I could not be any happier. I want to say thanks to my beautiful wife, Mrs. Gone 60, for filming this for me. She may be a little tired holding the iPad up. But other than that, guys, I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. All right, we got Nate, 2016 5.0. We got the Bullitt. We got Mark, Shelby GT350 2017. We got Hubert, 2016 Shelby GT350. We call these two the twins. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for sharing my 1 year review with me. I want to thank all my YouTube subscribers. I want to thank all the YouTube channels that have helped me. It's been a crazy year. It's been great. I still love what I'm doing. I still love the car. I want to thank Hubert. I want to thank Mark. I want to thank Nate for helping me, do some flybys and stuff. I really appreciate that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to contact Luis. I'm going to put his Instagram in the description in the drop down. Get in touch with him if you want to do any of the footage, the video footage with a drone. He's excellent. He knows how to work that drone very well. He's very, very good at what he does. So I'm going to put that in the description and give him a holler. I'm going to give you his Instagram account. Other than that, guys, thank you. It's been an awesome year, and please stay with me. We're almost at 500 subscribers. Stay with me, and I'll see you soon. I'm gone in 60.